Hello. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss hydraulic and pneumatics, unit number 2, actuator and power unit, lecture number 2. So here we are discussing actuator type, rotary actuator, and summary of session. Objective of this lecture to understand other and rotary actuators. Second, to understand construction and characteristic of actuator. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, student can understand rotary actuator in fluid power system. Also, student come to know types of rotary actuation in system. Student will aware about construction and characteristic of actuators. What is an actuator? Actuator are device used to produce action or motion. Actuator are device used to produce action or motion. Input mainly electrical signal, air, fluids. Electrical signal can be low power or high power. Actuator output can be position or rate, that is linear displacement or velocity. Actuation can be from few micron to few meters. See here lecture number 2 we are discussing here. So actuator functional diagram here, control signal, unmodulated energy source, power amplification and modulation, energy conversion, output. Types of actuator, hydraulic actuator, pneumatic actuator, mechanical actuator, electrical actuator, linear actuator, solenoid, hydraulic, pneumatic, rotary actuator, motor, hydraulic, pneumatic. Hydraulic actuator, hydraulic system are used to control and transmit power. A pump driven by prime mover creates flow of fluid. Types of hydraulic actuator, linear actuator, provide motion in straight line. Linear displacement depend on stroke length, usually referred to as cylinder, ram, single acting cylinder or jar. Rotary actuator produce continuous rotation motion. Pump shaft is rotated to generate flow. A motor shaft is caused to rotate by fluid being forced into the driving chamber. Semi-rotary actuator produce non-continuous rotational motion limited to less than 1 revolution, used to produce oscillatory motion in mechanism. Applications: hydraulic jar, hydraulic brake, hydraulic ram used as sensor, closed loop velocity controlling, high precise positioning for heavy load. See in this diagram, mechanical actuator, mechanical linear actuator typically operated by conversion of rotary motion into linear motion. Types of mechanism: screw, wheel, and axle cam. Electrical actuator. Electrical actuator system are very widely used in control system. Working principle of motor. Every motor works on principle that when current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force. See, gearing, DC motor, transducer, this is stepper motor. AC motor, we can see here, AC motor. Stepper motor is a mechanical device which convert electrical pulses into discrete mechanical movement. Permanent magnet type, variable reluctance type, and hybrid type motors. Piezoelectric actuators, Pierre and Jacques Curie discovered the piezoelectric effect in 1880. The application of electric field to a piezoelectric crystal led to a physical deformation of the crystal. Piezoelectric materials are quartz, ceramic, PZT, lead zinc, phonate, titanate. Advantage: short response time and ability to create high force, high efficiency and high mechanical ability, solid durability. Disadvantages: have small strength, high supply voltage needed up to 60 to 1000 volts, large hysteresis, actuator doesn't go back to exactly where it started. Configuration: piezoceramic crystal is coated with silver on both sides, glued to brass, nickel alloy, or stainless steel as brass, commercial and industrial use. Nickel alloy used where it's subjected to environment. Stainless steel used where it's subjected to solvent, corrosive chemical underwater. Medical fields. Types of piezoelectric actuator. Piezoelectric stack actuator produce linear motion, linear motor, piezoelectric bender actuator, expert contracts. See, this is piezoelectric materials, ceramic runner, like that. This is expand, this is contract. This is piezoelectric bender actuator. This is linear motor. Other types of actuator, heater, used with temperature sensor and temperature controller to control the temperature in automated molding, the equipment and soldering operation. Lights are used on almost all machines to indicate the machine state and provide feedback to the operator. LED, LCD, gas plasma displays, CRT. Sirens or horns can be useful for understand all dangerous machines to make condition well known. Electric motor cannot be stopped instantly. Their direction of rotation can be reversed instantly. This is because the air gap between the rotor and stator, the weak magnetic field. Hydraulic motor can be stopped from any length of time. Their direction of rotation can be instantly reversed and their rotational speed can be infinitely varied without affecting their torque. They can be brake instantly and have immense torque capacity. In electric motors are heavy and bulky. Hydraulic motors are very compact compared to the electric motors. For the same power, They occupy about 25% of the pace required by electric motor and weight about 10% of electric motor. Moment of inertia to torque ratio is nearly 100. Moment of inertia ratio is nearly 1 in hydraulic motor. Now, hydraulic motor and hydraulic pump, here it is device for delivering torque at a given pressure. The main emphasis is on mechanical efficiency and torque that can be transmitted. It is a device in hydraulic pump for delivering flow at given pressure. The main emphasis is on volumetric efficiency and flow. Motor usually operate over a wide range of speed from low RPM to high RPM. Pump usually operate at high RPM. Most motors are designed for bidirectional applications such as braking rod, rotary taper. In most situations, pump usually operate in one direction. Motor may be ideal for a long time. Pumps usually operate continuously. Motors are subjected to high side load. Majority of pumps are not subjected to side load. Usually pumps are pad mounted on power pack top and shaft is connected to prime mover directly. Rotary hydraulic actuator, when rotary actuator, limited angle in both directions. We can see when rotary actuator. Maximum angle always smaller than 360 degree. The same torque is both direction. Parallel piston rotary actuator. Limited angle rotary actuator. Piston rotary actuator with rack and gear coupling. See here. Here maximum angle may be larger than 360 degree. Vane motors, we can see here vane motors, drive shaft, view of basic operation rotor, system pressure. Pressure on the vane means a force. The resulting force on the vane creates torque on the motor shaft. Rotary actuator, hydraulic motor, is a device which converts fluid power into rotary power or convert fluid pressure into torque. See, these two teeth are subject to high pressure and tend to rotate gear in direction of the arrow. Segment of two meshing teeth tend to opposite rotations, making net torque available a function of one tooth. Pressure between the teeth in this segment push both ways and does not affect torque or oil is carried around outlet. These two teeth have only tank line pressure opposing them. Pressure between teeth in this segment pushes both ways and does not affect torque as oil is carried around to outlet. Piston motor / sprocket motor. We can see here cylinder, stroke, sprocket. Fixed displacement inline piston motor. See here inlet, here outlet, cash drain, cylinder block, swatch spread. Bent axis type, displacement, driven shaft crank and shaft. Bend. axis type. That's clear. Radial piston motors, spinner discharge side here, cylinder block, rotor, spinner pressure side. Performance of hydraulic motors. The performance of hydraulic motor depend upon many factors such as precision of their part, tolerance between the mating part, internal leakage between the inlet and outlet affect the volumetric efficiency, friction between mating parts affect the mechanical efficiency of the hydraulic motor. Gear motor typically have overall efficiency of 70 to 75% as compared to vane motor, which are 75 to 85%, and piston motor having 85 to 95%. Motor torque is divided into three separate groups. Starting torque. The starting torque is the tuning force the motor exerts from dead stop. Running torque. Running torque is exerted when the motor is running and changes whenever there is change in fluid pressure. Stalling torque. Stalling torque is the torque is necessary to stop the motor. Running torque. In most hydraulic motor, the stalling and starting torque are required. Usually starting torque 70 to 80% of maximum design torque. So in this way, we have studied the various motors and pump. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Any questions, please ask me in your mind. Thank you. We have seen the electric motors, types of actuator, configurations of actuators like that. Any doubt, any queries, ask me. Piezoelectric actuator, configuration, types of piezoelectric actuators, other types of actuators. Thank you.